Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm excited to bring this one to you today. This is my Board Track Racer tribute project. I just finished it. I've been shaking it down, getting the bugs worked out of it, and I am really proud of how it turned out. Well, instead of just making a big long video about how I built this thing, I thought I would just ask you guys, what is it that you want to see, and I'll make a video on it. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave in the comments below what you want to see, and I will do that. It's the Phantom 85 motor. I use upright bars with Fat Frank tires, and here is the first start. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. So that was the first time I ever tried starting it. And it went really smooth, to be honest with you. And I'm really happy with the way this bike turned out. The Fat Frank tires are great. The Phantom 85 motor is wonderful. It's quality built. You can tell it's built a lot better than the other ones. And it worked out pretty great. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave in the comments, and I will gladly make a video about it. Otherwise, have a great day, night, evening, whenever you see this, and we will talk to you soon.